Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this cute little holiday hairstyle using Uncle Funky's daughter's product. So it's pretty simple. I'm just going to go ahead and section off this corner part of my hair, and then I'm going to put two sections, split that in half, and it's going to look something like this. Right now I'm just trying to get my part straight because with these rubber band hairstyles, the straighter you have the parts, the better it looks. So now that I have that sectioned in half, I'm going to go ahead and split it again. And then this is basically what I'm going to be working with those two sections. So you're going to have 4 different sections in this little quadrant. I'm going to go ahead and start applying my products. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it with water using my spray bottle. And then I'm going to take the Uncle Funky's Daughter. Now this product is my favorite. It is their Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream. And this is my first time using it, and it has so much slip and it just goes on like a butter and helps you detangle. And I've never tried this one ever, and I love it. It is my new favorite from their line. As you guys can see the definition. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my rubber band and then just go ahead and put this part in a rubber band. You don't want to do it too tight because, I don't want to pull out my edges or anything. I'm going to go in after this and kind of pull out some of my edges because it looked pretty tight. And then I'm just going to go ahead and twist that first part and then grab it with the second half and then put them both in a rubber band. So it's pretty simple, you guys. And then I'm going to do this with the other section as well. So this is what it pretty much looks like. Pretty easy tutorial. Then I'm just going to go ahead and style the rest of my hair using this one product. You guys know I love my one product wash and go. So whenever I find a good product that has a lot of hold and it's actually lasted me a pretty long time, so I like to let you guys know about it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that same routine that I did using in the front part of my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and use my spray bottle, and then I'm going to go in with the Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream. And yeah, you guys need to make sure you try this product out. I'm sure you're going to love it. If you've seen my Instagram, you'll see the pictures with this hairstyle, and that was actually on the 5th day. I kind of touched it up a little, but this product is so amazing. It has so much slip and I just really love it. It is definitely one of my favorites, as I said before. So now I'm just going to go ahead and section off just so I can get some more definition. I'm going to try and use small pieces just to get the maximum amount of definition I can get. Now, if you guys do want to purchase this, my code is sunkissedcurls. So you just type that in on the unclefunkysdaughter.com website and you will save 15% off of your order. So make sure, you guys, if you do purchase this online, make sure to use my code to save some money off. But this is pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see how everything turns out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, leave some comments down below what other types of videos you would like to see from me. As you guys know, I did just have a baby. He is 3 months now, so it's kind of been hard for me to keep consistent with everything. But I do kind of want to expand out of the natural hair field. I still want to do natural hair, but I barely get a chance to do my hair anymore unless it's like sponsored content, just being honest. But yeah, this is what the end product looks like, and I'm very happy to have partnered with them. I love this product. It is one of my faves. Again, I cannot say it enough. You guys can just see how defined my curls look like. Come on. And then this is what it looks like dry. It came out so beautiful. It was a very soft hold. It didn't have any crunch, and which I loved about it, but it still looked very defined. So don't forget to use my discount code sunkissedcurls for 15% off of your online orders. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.